we are doing exercise 10.3. This is question number 1. Construct triangle DEF such that DE equal 5 centimeter, DF equal 3 centimeter and angle EDF is 90 degree. Now let's draw it. First of all, we will make DE 5 centimeter. Now here we will draw DE, which is 5 centimeter in length. First we will write D and E. This is 5 centimeter and the angle given is, you can see angle given EDF. It is 90 degree. So first of all here we have to understand on which we are required to make 90 degree. So here on the middle alphabet you will draw 90 degree on D. So D पे हमें यहाँ 90 degree बनाना है and 90 degree can be drawn using compass. So whatever angles we can draw using compass, we will draw using compass only. So 90 degree we will make. First of all, draw a semicircle on D. Now without changing the distance, first arc, then from the first you will draw second arc, and from the first you will draw third arc. Now from the second arc you will draw fourth arc. Now this angle is of, now we will join, and this angle is of 90 degree. After drawing 90 degree, it is given DF. So here you can see DF is 5 centimeter. So you know that it can be drawn from D also, on F also. But here is no F, here is only D. So DF will be drawn from D. It is 5 centimeter. DF is 3 centimeter. It is given 3 centimeter. So we will draw an arc of 3 centimeter from D. Now take 3 centimeter in your compass. Now this is 3 centimeter. Now from D you will draw 3 centimeter arc. Now this point is point F. Now join F to E. Now here this is the triangle DEF that we are forming. This is question number 2. Construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. Now this is isosceles triangle, means two sides are equal and the angle between them is 110 degree. 110 degree we cannot draw using compass, so we will use protractor to draw this 110 degree. Now this is isosceles triangle that we are going to draw. Now it is given, you know that in isosceles triangle two sides are equal and these equal sides are 6.5 centimeter and the angle between these two equal sides is 110. So first of all we will draw a line which is 6.5 centimeter long. So this is the line 6.5 centimeter long. Now we will write 6.5 centimeter. Now from these 2 points we can name X and Y. It is not given but we will take X and Y. Now on the point X we are required to draw an angle of 110 degree. 110 degree cannot be drawn using compass, so we will draw using it protractor. Now this, here you will make the mistake. So wherever we are putting this protractor, so look at the 0. Where is the 0 on the line? So this is the line, this line, and we are putting it here. So 0 is on the this line, this row 0. यहाँ पे क्या है 180 है, यहाँ पे 0 है. तो जो 0 होता है उसी की सीरीज को हमको देखना होता है यहाँ पे. तो हम ये अंदर वाले को देखेंगे. So here 110 degree we will find 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it is 110. So we will put a point here, this 110. And then we will join. So this angle is 110 degree using protractor. Now 6.5 we will take in your compass. 6.5. Now we have taken, and after taking this 6.5 we will make an arc. Now here we can write Z. This is 6.5 centimeter. Now join this Z to Y. Now this is the isosceles triangle that the question is want to form. Now this is question number 3. Construct triangle ABC which with BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, AC equal 5 centimeter, and angle C is equal to 60 degree. So this 60 degree we will form using compass. Now let's draw this triangle. First of all, draw in question number 3. First of all, draw BC 7.5 centimeter. So here we will draw BC 7.5 centimeter. Now here we will write C, here we will write B. It is given angle A is 60 degree. Now you know that 60 degree can be drawn using compass. So we will draw using compass. Now make a semicircle. Now the first arc that we draw, this first arc is of 60 degree. So here we will join this C. Now this is 60 degree using compass we have drawn. Now it is given AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So you know that this can be drawn from A or C also, but here C is given, A is not given. So we will draw AC from C point. Now take 5 centimeter in the compass, 5 centimeter. Now we have taken this 5 centimeter in compass, and from point C we will draw an arc of 5 centimeter, and here we will write A. Now join this A to B. Now we will join this A to B. Now this is completed. Triangle ABC is formed.